Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring Android Studio and a compatible JDK are installed. This gives you the compiler and SDK manager. Once done, open Android Studio and choose New Project, select Empty Activity, and pick Java as the language so your files are generated correctly. Make sure to set a clear package name and minimum SDK to match target devices. This affects API availability. These first steps create the app skeleton and Gradle files that you will immediately modify. You now build the visible and functional core. Edit res/layout/activity main. XML using constraint layout to place buttons, text fields, and images for responsive UI. Then open main activity. Java and connect views with find view by ID or view binding, adding on click listeners to handle user actions. This is where you implement app behavior. Also update Android manifest for permissions and add libraries in build. Gradle. Then sync Gradle so those APIs are available. You finish by running the app on an emulator or a connected device, watching Logcat for runtime errors and layout issues. This confirms behavior on real hardware. If something breaks, use breakpoints and the debugger to inspect variables and step through code so you find the root cause quickly. Once stable, create a signed APK or AAB, test the release build, and upload to the Play console. Troubleshooting tip: if builds fail, invalidate caches and restart Android Studio to resolve Gradle or indexing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.